Hi, good evening, dear students. I am going to explain Bangalore Sahodhya School Complex pre-board paper term 2. Today in this session I am going to explain only section A questions I will explain. The next class I will do section B and section C. Today I am going to explain section A and section B mathematics term 2 questions I am going to explain. The next class I will explain section B and C. Now just you can see now all the questions we have only, if we see that in term 2 I have, you can see here this contains A, B and C, 3 sections. Each body is compulsory. So you can see each body is compulsory here. Section A has 6 short answer type of 2 marks each. Section B has 4 short answer type questions of 3 marks each. Section C has 4 long answer type questions of 4 marks each. Internal choice are provided in some questions. But question number 14 is a case based problem having 2 subparts of 2 marks each. So this is the method of cbse question paper pattern. Now see the questions we have. Today I am going to explain only section A. It takes 15-20 minutes. See, these are the questions in section A. Just you observe the section A questions, just to get an idea about this. Just section A, we have given only 6 questions I have given. So in this, today I am going to explain these 6 questions only. Now you can see now. The people who joined, just give your name in the chat box. I can understand who are attending. Just write your name in the chat box. It takes 15-20 minutes session, only 15-20 minutes. Any doubt if you have, we are not understanding, you can ask me in the chat box. I will repeat the problem. Now see, these are the questions we have. First question, this one you can see here. Integral cos x minus sin x by 5 plus sin 2x, or integral e power x by root of 5 minus 4 e power x minus e power 2x dx. And the second one, like this, we have 6 questions in section A. You can see now I am going to explain one after one, all 6. These are the 6 questions we have. Here, this is the third question we have by minus x plus y cos x by 1 plus sin x. Here that by line is missing, you can consider that. This is the fourth one and 6 questions. One after one I will explain now the solutions. See the first problem. In first problem they are given internal choice. First I will explain the first problem. After I will do the internal choice problems I will explain. So first one you can see with a simple problem. I can explain this. You can see. Now and again evaluate integral cos x minus sin x by 5 plus sin 2x dx. When I have taken this problem, just very simple problem here. Not that much difficult here. You can see. The problem is simple here. When I have taken this problem, integral cos x minus sin x by 5 plus sin 2x dx. So here to simplify, the substitution is important here. What I will do now, this one integral. So cos x minus sin x by 5 plus sin 2x, can I write 4 plus 1 plus sin 2x. So I can write like this. 1 plus sin 2x dx. See this problem. When I have taken this one cos x minus sin x by 4 plus 1 plus sin 2x. You think 1 plus sin 2x. This can be written. I can write integral cos x minus sin x by 4 means 2 square. I can write 1 plus sin 2x, can I write cos x plus sin x whole square I can write, or sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin x plus cos x whole square. You expand a square plus b square, it gives 1. 2ab gives sin 2x dx we can write. Now you can consider here sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. You take the substitution. Put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. If we take sin x plus cos x is equal to t, then You can see if we differentiate this, when I have taken sin x plus cos x is equal to t, just you have taken sin x plus cos x is equal to t, then differential, what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. My derivative of cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. It comes like this, right? Dx is equal to dt. Now you can observe, when I got like dx is equal to dt, then you can see now derivative of this is this, we got this one. I can replace numerator with dt. Now the problem will become now 1 by 2 square plus this is t square. You have taken numerator will become dt. We know formula. Just you remember the formula. What is that formula means? Integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. If it is like this, you know formula tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse of 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Formula is there 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by, you can write 1 by a tan inverse of x by a formula we have, plus constant will be there. Just remember this formula. If you remember that formula, you can use that formula now. You can simplify this answer. You can see now. When I remember this I can reduce. If we compare with this is a square plus x square. Right here. A square plus x. Compare with this 1 by a is 2. 1 by 2. Tan inverse of t by 2 plus c. So we can write 1 by 2. Tan inverse. What is t means? Sin x plus cos x by 2 plus c. Correct. We will get sin inverse cos x plus that's all. This is a simple problem. 1 by 2 tan inverse of sin x plus cos x by 2 plus c. This way you can do easily this problem. This is a simple problem. I hope you understood this. Is clear, I think. If you have doubt, you can ask me. The other problem I am going to explain now. So the problem which is a doubt you have, I explained this one is clear, I hope. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I can repeat again. I will do the other one. Internal choice problem I will explain now. Just I will explain internal choice problem. You can follow that also. Right. Now, see the next problem now. The given internal choice problem, another problem is there. So this problem I am going to explain now. So internal e power x by root of 5 minus 4 e power x minus e power 2x. You can take this problem. Put e power x is equal to t. Derivative of e power x dx equal to dt. The problem will become this one. E power x dx numerator will become dt. So 1 by root of 5 minus 4t minus t square dt it comes. Correct. You have taken put e power x dx is equal to dt. E power x is equal to t, e power x dx is equal to dt. This is a substitution. The problem will become like this, root of 5 minus 4t minus t square. Now here you can see now in this problem what I will do now. I am going to simplify this 5 minus 4t minus t square. If I take this 5 minus 4t, see here 5 minus 4t, 5 minus 4t minus t square. You can take this one. This one I am going to explain this. So this I can take it minus common t square plus 4t minus 5. You should make it perfect square form here. You should make it perfect square. So what I will do now, this one, t square plus 4, can I write t plus 2 whole square, t square plus 4t plus 4, but plus 4 and minus 5 minus 4 it will be minus 9. because you added plus 4, subtract minus 4, minus 9. So this will become, so you multiply with negative. So 3 square minus of t plus 2 whole square it comes. Because inside the square root, we should not consider negative, multiply with negative. So now that's problem. Now you can see here, this is a substitution part. Then I can write the problem 1 by root of, you can see here, 3 square minus t plus 2 whole square I can write. T plus 2 whole square dt. We know formula 1 by root of a square minus x square. Whenever integral root of a square minus 1 by root of a square minus x square, sine inverse of x by a plus c. This will be sine inverse of x means t plus 2 by 3 plus c. That will be your answer. This is the right side substitution. I can consider this. So finally this is equal to, I can write sine inverse of t means e power x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Right? I hope you understood this. So this is a substitution I have done right side. Then I simplified. The formula what I have applied here, integral 1 root of a square minus x square dx sine inverse of x by a t plus 2 by 3. Derivative of t plus 2 I should divide. Derivative of t plus 2 1 only. 1 by 1. What is 1 by derivative of t plus 2? I have written derivative of t plus 2 is 1. So I written derivative of t plus 2 is 1. Then we got that. So answer is sine inverse of e power x plus 2 by 3 plus c. I hope you understood this. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat this again. Is it clear? If you have doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I can repeat this. Okay, now you can see the next problem now. I will explain the next one now. If the sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, the sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, prove that the magnitude of their difference is root 3. The sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, prove that the magnitude of their difference is root 3. They given sum of two unit vectors, they are saying here. Length is 1 unit. I can say sum of two unit vectors. I can consider mod, because sum of two, you can consider, let mod a bar equal to you can write two unit vectors means you can two unit vectors you can consider. Let mod a bar is equal to 1 unit and mod b bar is equal to 1 unit. I have taken magnitude of these two is 1 unit. They told again here sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector again. That means they are given here mod a bar is equal to 1, mod b bar is equal to 1. I have taken. Then I have written here magnitude of these two 1 unit and they are given mod a bar. I can also sum of those two as unit vector they are saying here. So then I can write mod a bar plus mod b bar also they are saying unit vector. Sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector. They are given this. Correct. Magnitude of these two. Sum of two unit vector is a unit vector. Now what about squaring on both sides? If we do squaring on both sides, mod a bar plus b bar whole square equal to 1 square. Do squaring on both sides. If we do squaring on both sides, expand this mod a bar square, mod b bar square, 2 into a bar dot b bar equal to 1. 2 into a bar b bar is equal to 1, right? So we'll get here, we know mod a bar is equal to 1. This will be 1 square, 2 into a bar dot b bar is equal to 1. From this I can write a bar dot b bar equal, you can see here 1 minus 2. We'll get minus 1 by 2. This is a bar dot b bar is minus 1 by 2. They are asking the magnitude of their difference is root 3. So I can take a difference root 3 means I can consider mod a bar minus b bar whole square I will take. If I expand this, mod a bar square, mod b bar square minus 2 into a bar dot b bar. But we know that this is 1 square, this is 1 square minus 2 into a bar dot b bar is minus 1 by 2. Now I can simplify, this will be 1 square, 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, we have 3. This is mod a bar minus b bar whole square. Then I can write, therefore mod a bar minus b bar, it will be root 3. Magnitude, only positive value I can consider. Magnitude, mod a bar minus b bar is equal to root 3. So this is the second problem. I hope you understood this. Anyone have doubt? Discuss in the chat box. I will repeat again this. If you have doubt, is it clear? If you have doubt, please ask me in the chat box. I will repeat again to explain. I can repeat, I can explain again. I hope you understood this. Now, see the next problem. Third problem. Find the general solution of dy by dx equal to minus x plus y cos x by here. This is minus of x plus y. You can think about here. Minus of x plus y cos x by 1 plus sin x. This is a given problem. They are asking general solution of this. When they are given like this problem I can write dy by dx. dy by dx equal to, you split this, minus of x by 1 plus sin x I can write, minus y cos x by 1 plus sin x I can write, y cos x by 1 plus sin x. Now I am trying to convert linear equation. Linear equation means, what is the linear equation? We know that dy by dx equal to py is equal to q. It is a linear in y. This is py is equal to q. I can write py is equal to q. This is linear in y. This equation is linear in y. I can say this is linear in y. So now here what I will do, this y we want dy by dx plus py. So this combination of y I can transfer left side. So this will become dy by dx plus, if we transfer this side I can write cos x by 1 plus sin x into y equal to minus x by 1 plus sin x. Now this is linear in y. So the equation is linear in y. Correct. This equation is linear in y. Correct. Now you can see now. I can write now. I convert this one linear in y. Now compare, this is p is equal to, if we compare this here I can write p is equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x. u is equal to minus x by 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. Now, when it is linear, you should find integral p dx. If we find integral p dx, integral cos x by 1 plus sin x. So we have the derivative of denominator is numerator. We know one formula, integral f dash x by f of x dx should be equal to log mod f of x, log mod f of x plus c. We have this formula, log mod f of x plus c. So I can write, this is a log mod, I can write here. We'll get log mod f of x plus c. Similarly, the derivative of denominator is numerator. Using the same formula, you can use this formula. We use this formula. I can write here, this is log mod 1 plus sin x. log 1 plus sin x. Now integrating factor, I can write integrating factor now. If I write integrating factor, IF e to the power of integral p dx e to the power of log of 1 plus sin x. But we know one formula, a power log m base a, it will be m. You remember this, a power log m base a. If you write this one, you can see here what I am saying here. This is, I will just to understand, I have written here, this is a power log m base a is equal to m. Use the same concept, a base e will be e here, so this will become 1 plus sin x. Now the general solution I can write 1 plus sin x. I hope you understood this right. 1 plus sin x. Now think about the general solution I can write. The GSE is, the general solution is y into integrating factor integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Correct. This way you can write dx plus c. Dx plus c. Now we know integrating what is 1 plus sin x. I can write y into 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x I can write equal to. We know what is q, minus x by 1 plus sin x. Minus x by 1 plus sin x into integrating factor also 1 plus sin x into dx plus c. Now I can eliminate 1 plus sin x, this one. Integral minus x I can write now. Okay, see the answer will get now y into 1 plus sin x. Correct, you can write easily, you can write this. Y into 1 plus sin x equal to minus integral x dx x square by 2 plus c. Correct. Y into 1 plus sin x equal to minus integral x d, this is x. Integral x dx means minus x square by 2 plus c. I have written minus x square by 2 plus c. So the answer you can see here. This is, I can write here, this is 1 plus sin x, this is minus x square by 2 plus, that is your answer. Y into 1 plus sin x equal to minus x square by 2 plus c, that will be your answer. I hope you understood that. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me, I will repeat again if you have doubt. This is a linear in y, we have done that. Another 2 more problem. This is the 4th problem, 2 marks question only. Is it clear? If you have doubt, ask me, I will repeat again. If you have doubt, I will repeat again. If you have doubt, I can repeat again this one. Any doubt if you have, I will repeat again. Yeah, this is a like a board paper, sample paper only. Term 2 math paper, yes. Exactly. This is term 2 pre-board Sahodhya paper. Yes. Now you can see now. When I have taken find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line through the point A and parallel to the line joining the points with the position vectors, these two. Suppose they are asking a vector and Cartesian equation of a line. This is the line equation. So passing through point A, they are given, and parallel to another vector some B bar is given. So this point position vector is A bar. Then this line equation will be R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, where lambda is a scalar. So the line passing through the point A parallel to B bar. Then the vector equation of the line is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, where lambda is a scalar. Now okay, so the point is given A2 minus 1 comma 1. I can consider this point, let A bar is equal to 2 minus 1 comma 1 means I can consider this point is, you can see this point I can consider right. So 2 minus 1 1, it will be 2 I cap, I can write this one. See this point I can write now 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Correct, I can convert like this, right? Is it clear? K cap. Now parallel to the line joining the point with position vectors on B bar, this B bar they are given parallel to line joining point with position vectors, these two. They are given parallel to this. So let it be, let's suppose on B bar, this is the vector. On B bar, let it be the point P and Q. Just I'm giving an idea about this. Suppose you take the point P and Q. So the given point P is this, point Q is this. So you should find PQ, the direction ratios of PQ bar you should find here. DRs of PQ bar you should find here. DRs of PQ bar. When I have taken this one, you can see here. I can write here the point, this is P on the line PQ. So I can consider, suppose OP bar. OP bar equal, I can consider minus I cap 4j cap plus k cap. And I can consider OQ bar. OQ bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now they are asking PQ bar. You find the vector PQ bar. So is nothing but B bar I can find parallel to that. So I can write here, this is a PQ bar, I can write here PQ bar. What is the PQ bar? I can write this OQ bar minus OP bar. OQ bar minus OP. I have taken position vectors. You take difference of this. I cap minus I cap 2 I cap. It comes here 2j minus 2j cap. And you will get 2k, you will get plus k cap. This is PQ bar. So the given line passing through A and parallel to PQ bar. This is parallel to PQ bar. So this is nothing but B bar. Now I can write the equation, I can write now. You can see here. The vector equation I can write. So we can write the vector equation. You can see here. I can write the vector equation. The vector equation is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, where lambda is a scalar. A bar vector we know 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus lambda into B bar we have 2I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So that will be the required one. Even they are asking here Cartesian form. I can also write Cartesian form as I can write. Cartesian form means, so this vector parallel to 2 minus 2, 1. What is the Cartesian form? Cartesian form we can write in one line, we can write Cartesian form as you can write. I will explain the Cartesian form. When the given Cartesian form, so Cartesian form will be, when they are asking Cartesian form, see if they are asking Cartesian form, when they are asking Cartesian form, x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c we can write. Z minus z1 by c which is equal to lambda. I can write which is equal to lambda here. Correct, this is the lambda I have written here. Now you can see what point passing through. First point 2 minus 1 1. I can write this point easily. We can write now here. The passing through the point they are given x minus 2 by 2. X minus 2 passing to the point to this one 2 minus 1 comma 1. X minus 2 by 2 because parallel to 2 minus 2 1. I can write y plus 1 by b means minus 2. And I can write z minus 1 by c means 1. So x minus 2 by 2 equal y plus 1 by minus 2. Y plus 1 by minus 2 equal z minus 1 by 1 which is equal to lambda. So how have I written this? This is the point. So here x1 y1 z1, the point is x1 y1 z1 is equal to passing through a means 2 minus 1 comma 1. Parallel to b bar means 2, this is A is 2, B is minus 2, C is the component of K cap 1, 2 minus 2, 1. So this is Cartesian form. I hope you understood this fourth one. Is clear, I think. I hope you understood this fourth one. Just remember the formula and you can do that. There are only 2 marks question, right? Now you can see now the next one, the question number 5 now. I'm going to teach the question number 5. A bag contains 50 tickets numbered 1 to 50, of which 5 tickets are drawn and arranged in ascending order, x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4 less than x5. Find the probability that x3 should become 30. This is the important one. This is the most important one. You can see here this is a simple one. Also try to understand this with a simple logic. We can do very simple logic. You can see that now in this problem numbers 1 to 50, 5 tickets are drawn, arranged ascending order. So they fixed x3 is 30. That means you should arrange x1, x2, 30 and x4, x5. 30 you fixed. This is you think about this is ascending order. they mentioned ascending order. Consider ascending order. This is ascending. Now before 30, because ascending order means x1, x2 less than 30. That means clearly we know that x1, x2 belongs to the numbers 1 to 3 up to 29. These numbers on x1, x2 belongs to 1 to 29. That means to select these numbers from 1 to 29, the number of ways I can select. You can think number of ways 29C2, any 2 numbers. After 30, x4, x5 we can select remaining from 31 to 50. That means x4, x5. This one belongs to, I can write 31, 32 and so on 50 from these numbers. So 31 to 50 means we have 20 numbers. 31 to 50 means we have 20. This is 50 ending number 50. Correct, because they are given up to, they are given 50 numbers only, right? They are given 50 numbers. So I written this is a 50. So this is how to select x4, x5 from these 20 numbers. So number of ways to select is equal to 20C2. Because from these 20 numbers you should select x4 and x5. This is belongs. Correct, this is belongs to this. So 20C2. Now you can think, they are asking, they have drawn 5 tickets are drawn. So what is the number of total here, the total possible ways here, total number of ways, total number of outcomes will be 50. You are taking 5 tickets, 50C5. I can write number of outcomes. So you can think about number of outcomes. Number of outcomes will be total 50 tickets. You are taking any 5, 50C5. So the required probability, favorable events by number of outcomes. I can write the required probability. So when I have written required probability, so required probability equal, I can write required probability equal to, so what are the favorable events? So 29C2 into 20C2. Don't write plus because the selection has not completed. You have selected only 2 things. So that is the reason you should write into. This is fundamental principle of multiplication. 29C2, you can write only 29C2, correct, 29C2 into 20C2 by total outcomes 50C5. 50C5. This is should simplify. You know how to simplify that. This only takes time here. Only you can do simplification. 50C5. Because you know simplify. Just I will write the values. I can write 20C2. I can simplify this. So just you can write this one. I can write 29 into 28 by 2 into 1. 20C2. 20 into 19 by 2 into 1 by 50C5, 50 into 49 into 48 into, because 5 numbers, 47 into 46 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 consecutive numbers. You simplify this. It gives the required answer. I hope this answer will be 551 by 15,134 it comes. You simplify this. Because 29C2, you understood I hope. So why? Because NC2 means I have taken n into n minus 1 by 2 into 1. Like this I have taken. Suppose NC2 means, this is NC2 means n into n minus 2 into 1. This is NC, I have written NC2 here. The meaning is here, this is NC2. Correct. Now I have taken this is NC2. NC2 means n into n minus 2 into 1. I have taken this. I simplified. This is the required answer. The last I am going to explain the last problem. Today only section A I am doing. Next class tomorrow I will do section B. So this one, from a lot of 10 bulbs which includes 3 defective bulbs, a sample of 2 bulbs is drawn at random. Write the probability distribution of the number of defective bulbs. They are discussing about defective bulbs. So when they are asking defective bulbs, you can see here, they are asking probability distribution table. So now when I am talking about this one here, so probability distribution of the number of defective bulbs, I can consider, let x be the number of defective bulbs. That number I can consider x be the number of defective bulbs. Total number of bulbs is given, total 10 bulbs is given. I can consider number of bulbs is equal to 10. Number of bulbs is equal to 10 is given, which includes 3 defective bulbs. Number, let x be the, they are given, defective bulbs will be 3. Number of defective bulbs. Number of defective bulbs. That will be 3. That means remaining 7 bulbs are good bulbs, right? Number of good bulbs. I can write number of good bulbs will be 7. They are talking about here, they have taken 2 bulbs, they have taken, right? 2 bulbs is drawn at random. A sample of 2 bulbs is drawn at random. What is the probability distribution of the number of defective bulbs? You can consider, let x be the number of defective bulbs. X be the number of defective bulbs. Number of defective bulbs. Let x be the number of defective bulbs. So when they are asking probability distribution of defective bulbs, I can consider x equal to 0. When I have taken x equal to 0, you can see here, suppose probability of x equal to 0, that means no defective bulb. No defective bulb means I should get 2 good bulbs. They have taken 2 bulbs, right? 0 means no defective bulbs is, I can write 7C2 by 10C2. Why? Because the probability. You have taken outcomes will be 10C2. Favorable outcomes will be 7C2. Why? Because no defective bulb. So out of 7 any 2 you can consider 7C2 by 10C2. What is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. 10C2. 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. If I simplify this one, you can write 7 into 6 by 10 into 9. Then I can simplify this. So this is everything you can simplify here. 3 3s and 2 5s. So this will be 7 by 15. It comes 7 by 15. 5 3s, 7 by 15. It will come 7 by 15. Correct, 7 by 15. Now do it. Suppose one defective bulb. When they are talking one defective bulb, P of x equal to, I can consider now. See that we have done this P of x equal to 1. One defective bulb means, one defective means one should be good bulb and one should be defective bulb. So they are asking one defective bulb means I get out of 3 defective bulbs 1 you will get, and 1 good means out of 7 1. by 10C2. There is no change. What is 3C1 is 3, 7C1 is 7. I can write this is 3C1 is 3, 7C1 is 7, 10C2 again 10 into I can write 9 by 2 into 1. You can simplify this 3 into 7, 2 into 1 by 10 into 9. You simplify, it gives 7 by 15. You simplify 3 to, you can simplify, this is 7. 3 into 7. So 3 into 7 into 2 into 1 I have written here. Just you can observe here. This I have written 3 into 7 into 2 into 1, simply 7 by 15. Suppose third case, this is 0 defective bulb, 1 defective bulb. Suppose 2 bulbs are defective. So these are the possible defective bulbs. Maximum 3 defective bulbs. So P of x equal to, the last one I am taking, P of x equal to 2. All 2 defective bulbs, no good bulb. So from 3 defective to any 2 you can take it 7C2 by 10C2. So what is 3C2 we can write? 3C2 we can write this one. 3C2 is, will get 3C1 only. It will be 3, or if you want you can write 3 into 2 by 2 into 1 by 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. You can simplify this. So you will get this one 1 by 15. 2 into 1 get cancelled. It will be 3 into 2. Correct. It will come 1 by 15. You simplify. So finally they are asking probability distribution table. So I should make the table now. To make the probability distribution table, we can make it here. Probability x value they are given 0, 1, 2, and the probability of x, corresponding probability here, this is 7 by 15, and this is given, correct. I have written 7 by 15, and this is also 7 by 15, and this is 1 by 15. So this is the probability distribution table. Right, because they are asking probability distribution table. Correct. This is a probability distribution. I have written probability distribution table. That's all. So with this I have completed all 2 marks questions. Tomorrow's session I am going to complete the section B and section C. So with this I have completed. Anyone have doubt you can ask me. I will clarify any doubts. If you have doubt I am going to clarify. Is it clear? I hope you understood this. Please let me know in the chat box. Should I repeat this? Then good then. See you tomorrow then. Yeah, good. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain section B and section C. Fine then.